promoted ex-crews, but also the friendships, dedication, and teamwork that continue to strengthen the SGOI family. May this evening remind us that success is built through hard work, perseverance, and the support of those around us. Let us congratulate our promotees and look forward to even greater accomplishments together. Please raise your glasses to the continued success of SGOI. Okay, tapusin na natin na. Wala pa yung iba.